Over the last few months, my wife and I have been updating our place to accommodate our work from home situation. While it's been fun to build our workspaces, we neglected the areas we normally relax in. That's why we decided to refresh our bedroom to have a place we could retreat to when we want to unwind. Hello, I'm Matthew Encina, and in this video, I'll share our cozy bedroom makeover and give you a tour of the space. Before I begin, I want to thank Luminar AI for sponsoring this video. Stay tuned till the end if you want to learn how I use their software to create beautifully edited photos of my home projects. Since we've been in the process of reorganizing the rest of our home, our master bedroom became an overflow area, temporary storage that filled up with all of the things we didn't know what to do with. Eventually, it got out of hand and felt more chaotic than comforting. So the first thing we had to do was clean up the space. We got rid of all the things we didn't need and then organized what we decided to keep. Once our bedroom was cleared of clutter, we began with transforming this open space into a cozy corner for us to relax in. We ordered this mid-century style chair, which was a little challenging to assemble, but was absolutely worth it when completed. Then we added a black side table next to it to hold books we're currently reading and for our coffee in the morning. This corner of our bedroom gets plenty of light in it during the day, making it the perfect spot for plants to thrive in. I moved a few plants in here that I already owned to see what would look nice and picked up a couple more to make it feel more lush. Overhead, we installed 2 hanging plants into the ceiling and also installed the shelf from Grovemade to host a few small pothos we propagated and planted. Having plants in the bedroom gives it such calm and peaceful vibes. Learning how to take care of them has given me a new hobby that releases stress and takes me away from my digital screens. I've especially enjoyed propagating plants like these pothos and this monstera. They also make for a unique decorative element floating in water. Secretly, my dream is to have a small jungle inside my place someday. Our bed was feeling a little stale, so we decided to get new sheets. The bed sheets are made of jersey cotton, which are lightweight and very, very soft. For our duvet cover, we chose this avocado green color to complement the wall and our plants. And to break up all the solid colors, we added this gray sarape on top. My dog Chewy definitely approves. With the cozy corner built, the wall next to it was feeling a little empty, so I installed these 2 narrow shelves I had left over from my office renovation. This is a useful rail to add a few books, plants we're propagating, and some of Belinda's artwork. The nice thing about it is we can swap out items over time to keep this wall fresh. I also hung up this piece by James Jean, which ties in so nicely with the rest of the room. An important part of the setup is lighting. While we get a lot of beautiful natural sun during the day, we still needed good supplementary lighting for when it gets dark. I installed a few Philips Hue bulbs into my lamps, including a small spotlight behind the chair, so I can set the cozy vibes of the space right from my phone. These lights can be pricey, so if you buy regular bulbs, just make sure they're rated 2700 Kelvin or below if you want that warm, inviting light. This sets the perfect mood if I'm playing my guitar or doing any late night reading before bed. After a few weekends of rearranging things and adding some final details, we finally have a bedroom that's refreshing to wake up in and a place to retreat to when we want to just chill. If you're interested in seeing more details about the bedroom makeover, the furniture, and the plants in it, head on over to my blog at modmusings.com. There you'll find links to everything and additional photos of the space. As part of my process in making these videos, I like to capture images as additional content to use on my blog or Instagram. The problem is, it usually takes me a long time to process my photos. I get obsessed with the details because I want everything to look the same. I want the colors to match and the images to look crisp. Normally, I'm fairly slow at this process, but recently I got a chance to try Luminar AI, the sponsor of this video. Luminar AI is the first image editor fully powered by artificial intelligence. What used to take me hours now takes a fraction of the time. That's because of the smart features built into Luminar AI. The software scans your image, identifies the subjects, and suggests edits. You can then go in and fine-tune any of the details so you can color correct and grade your photos. Then the AI intelligently applies the adjustments to your photos without being heavy-handed. The best part for me is that you can easily copy the edits from one photo and then apply them to many. When it does this, it still takes into consideration the properties of each photo as it applies it. This makes it so much easier for me to batch process photos so I can get them on my social channels and move on to my next project. If you'd like to give Luminar AI a try, you can use my link in the description below. Clicking that link is the easiest way to show your support for me so I can make more content like this for you. Thank you. If you have any questions about what you've seen in this video, leave me a comment below and I'll do my best to answer it. With that out of the way, it's time to relax.